Hello and welcome back. It is August 29th and I am back from an extended maternity leave and also back from Greece with sailing Doodles. So some of you may have seen me over there with Bobby sailing in Greece. The video and the footage you're about to see was just too cool to toss. I am pregnant in this footage and we are headed from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico to Costa Rica, and we are on a turtle saving mission. The last video we saved a bunch of turtles, and in this video we're also rescuing some more interesting wildlife, and I just couldn't throw it in the can. If you'd like to catch Violet's birth video, that's on The Daily Show. You can find the link below or go to sailingwithlonestar.com.
Baba.
Baba.
In this episode, we encounter even more sea life in distress.
Rescue while the weather's calm. We're on our way to Chiapas right now, and yeah, poor little guy. I'm glad the weather calmed down. Okay, I'm gonna kind of drive over her, and I'm gonna put it in neutral. Keep your eye. Okay, we're in neutral. If you've got her, then let's walk her back to this halyard. We're in neutral. She's not caught too bad. Come here, little lady. We're gonna move her. Oh, wow, it's a big turtle. Okay, let's move her over this way and I'll winch, okay?
Where, to the left?
To the opening there. Bring her on deck. How are we gonna get her back in the water? That's a problem for 5 minutes from now. She bites.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's let her down then, I guess. We move around to the other side of her.
She's on her back, which can be dangerous for sea turtles. So we work as quickly as we can to cut her free from the tangled lines.
Got her? Is that everything off of her here? Here, we got one more around her leg right here. Okay. There we go. One more around that leg. Okay. Can I try to push her over?
You?
Yeah, she's too big for me. It's okay, baby.
Let me see if I can.
See if you can roll her over first. Watch that beak. Yeah, I think roll her that way first. Careful. Oh my gosh. Woo! Hi, girl! Good job. High five. You okay?
Yes, this feels up for her.
Yeah. I guess this trip to Costa Rica has become a turtle rescue mission. There's a squall coming, so let's get going. I think I see turtle. No sharks on board, okay? Remember we made the deal. Didn't you see a fin? I saw a fin. I could have swore I saw a fin.
Me too?
I don't know. We got a sail up, so. Here, kids, is a phantom milk jug. Nothing attached. We couldn't grab it. Good effort. We both swore we saw a fin. Maybe it was a reflection. Maybe we've been out here too long. All right, tally ho, to Chiapas.
We left the last anchorage in a hurry and didn't see the inclement weather headed our way.
Doodle. Whew. I'm ready to get there. It's very hot. A little bit of motor sailing. We've got about 12 knots right now, so we want to try to get there in the daytime. Get a Marlin.
What I need to do?
Okay, tighten the tension on your line.
What?
Tighten the tension.
Tight?
Tighten it, because you're almost at the line.
No, here. Ah!
Okay, so.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, okay, so that's the second Marlin he's caught. No, no leader, so it's just like string line. And it's jumping off the back of the boat, and he's so sad. The first one he caught with a hand line. I'm like, what are you gonna? You're gonna reel a Marlin in with a hand line. How are you feeling right now?
Oh my God, I got no words.
What do I do? He says.
I was making the tacos.
You're already making the tacos?
Wow, it was a Marlin you saw.
I saw him jump. It was definitely a Marlin. Woo! Yeah, you need to make it tighter, but that's like not heavy enough line for a Marlin. So we're basically Marlin fishing on his Snoopy pole. Blake would be proud. No, that's our. Why don't you just start throwing the lures in?
How can we catch it then?
We need a heavier line. Please send help. I mean fishing gear. He caught it. Now he's gonna try to catch a third Marlin. But I was just explaining to him that people fight Marlin in for hours. So, oh my gosh. And I'm trying to take a nap. He's like, what do I do? You're gonna rip its lips off, just let it run. Okay, so he's gonna rig another one. The last, final.
Ah, well, my beautiful calamari.
Bring the tortillas.
Bring the tortillas, bring the cheese. We're gonna make like 1,000 burritos, Marlin burritos right now.
Oh my god. Okay, can I take a siesta now? Are you safe?
Yes.
Good morning. Look at you. Did you catch that, or did it just jump on the boat?
No, I catch it.
It didn't just jump right on the boat?
Since yesterday I was feeling the magic. I was feeling like...
You didn't even call me to let you watch me. Oh, I can't even speak. Reel it in.
Yeah, how you doing?
Oh my gosh.
Tacos.
Ready for tacos. Delicious. Okay, catch us another one. That's only a half a meal.
Really? For you?
Just for me.
Okay.
Okay.
As Esteban was fishing, a beautiful seabird was caught in his line.
You think it's gonna fly?
Thankfully, I was able to untangle her delicate wings without hurting her.
Trouble, Nelson. Good morning. We've got Esteban on the front here. I had such a rough night, and so did he. We got kind of not a big storm, but enough. We had over 40 knots of wind, and we were actually sailing backwards at a point. We were going between 1.2 and 0 knots. Speed over ground, which was crazy. Esteban's on the front right now looking for huge pieces of wood because I guess there was a giant storm and maybe we got the part of it that wasn't so bad. I'm not sure, but last night like both of our nervous systems were just like wrecked, and this morning he wakes up and he goes, I don't know if I'm a real person or not. I think I'm hallucinating. I'm like, oh my god, really funny. So anyways, we are a mile out of Chiapas and we just saw a car bumper in the water that we just dodged. So it is really gray and I can't see very well. I probably shouldn't be filming. Javier is at the wheel as per usual. Oh my gosh, last night we got a whole bunch of warnings because we had 40 knots directly on the nose. We had the swell coming off of our starboard side at about 45 degrees and the tide pushing us at 1.5 knots from behind, and so everything was like, I don't know, kind of holding us in like a standstill. Javier was like giving up on us, and we thought that we were gonna have to hand steer throughout the night, and it was like pretty gnarly. So we're steering from down below because it is a pilot house. It's just really hard, impossible to see over the helm. Can you guys even hear me right now as I chatter on? I'm gonna be out here sailing like a little tiny boat. Anyways, I gotta pay attention. I'm gonna bring us into port. So welcome to Chiapas. Okay, we just got stopped by the Mexican Navy and they pointed us in this direction instead of that anchorage over there. We shall see.
Do any of you know why I put my electrical gear in the oven? Comment below.
Good morning. It is 10:30. We slept for 13 hours and we needed it so bad. Oh my gosh. I just walked out of the room and I'm so tired I wasn't even picking up my feet and I ran into the floorboard. It's so hot. So hot. I think the next thing I want to do in here is get super fancy and install an AC and a generator. I know that's not very sailor of me, but it's like really hot. We have a fireplace here, which is excellent for places like the north, but it's hot. I woke up thinking, the first thing that popped to my mind this morning when I woke up was, man, the lower salon is making some really weird noises. I really want to check the bulkhead joint on the starboard side. So I'm like, honey, guess what? We get to unpack all of the cupboard and just check to make sure the tabbing on the bulkhead is good. He's like, yeah, okay. So, but first things first, it's raining inside. Yes, that's right, it's raining inside. So we're gonna take the Traveler up today and rebed the Traveler because I think just with using the boat and it raining so much, the sealant that I put underneath the Traveler up top has just ripped up. So now it's like literally a full stream of water right there. So we're gonna do that, and whew, that's our big job for today, and we have no food. So that's on the list. Okay, so now we're gonna take this cover off, this molding. We're trying not to break anything or trying to keep the nails good because I don't have any more finishing nails. But these finishing nails are heavier than these little guys. So this is gonna be a little harder to take out. Here it comes. Woo! Patience of a saint.
All the nails.
Nice. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. Now we can access all these. Okay, so maybe right here the water's getting in. I'm not really sure.
Probably here.
Yeah, okay, so more goo. It's looking pretty good. Now the weather, on the other hand, is looking a little suspect. So We're gonna put some fast dry, quick dry epoxy resin in this little gouge, and then we are going to probably varnish in the morning. We'll do 1 coat of varnish. We're gonna use Cetol, then we're gonna rebed the track. Then from there, we'll tape off the track and do the other 2 coats of Cetol. It's a plan in my head. Okay, Gilligan's ready for working.
That's the thing that I love the most, working every day really hard.
Well, that's what he looks like when he's lying, everyone. I do like working. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought this boat because it's a lot of work, but we love her. She's beautiful.
Like this guy.
You're happy like that guy? Drinking thinner. We're gonna put some Cetol on here. Let's do this thing. Okay, we found a doctor. He's actually a really good doctor for being in the middle of nowhere. Everything looks good, and now we're having some pole bole. Local coffee? Chiapas is known for their coffee.
Chiapas.
Chiapas.
Tapachula.
Wow, it smells so good. Non-fat, sugar-free carrot cake.
Primero,
I know, you're happy to see us. Happy, happy, happy. Nice dock cart.
Working hard.
We have just a handful of videos left before we are in real time, like sailing Doodles. Bobby, you've been such an inspiration for me. So we hope to collab with Bobby again, and we will see you in those Greece videos, sailing Miss Lone Star style, in just a few weeks.